If you're not a rancher, you've probably never encountered a cowboy gate. A cowboy gate is a really simple device. It's just a break in a fence line between two posts. In order to open it, you simply have to lift the loop of wire off the top of one of the posts. Sometimes they're very tight in order to keep cattle from pushing it. So if you need to relieve the tension enough to lift the loop off, you can lean into it with your shoulder. If that doesn't work, you might need to use a cheater. This gate has one already installed. It's this loop of chain, which you wrap around the post, and then you push your body weight into it to relieve the tension to pull the loop off. Now we just pull the gate down and out of the bottom loop. Then you can pass through. In order to close the gate, you do exactly the same thing. Grab your cheater, push and pull as tight as you can, and slip the loop of wire back over the top. A cheater string of baling twine usually will hold the gate a little bit more loosely. This makes it a lot easier to open and close the gate. You can do it with very light tension. Sometimes it's obvious which side of the gate is the side to open. But if you are trying and you end up struggling because it's too tight, go and check the opposite side of the gate. That side might be easier to handle. If you're just a person, not a horse, you don't even have to open the gate fully to pass through. Just undo the top, step over, leaving the bottom in the bottom loop, and then fix it at the top. And you're good to go. And there you go. Now you know how to open and close a cowboy gate.